Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix overheating while gaming on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, let's open the game that is draining the battery, and now to adjust settings for this game so it stops overheating your device, swipe the gaming center from the top left corner of the left side of your smartphone. So from here, if you're playing horizontally or if your game is vertical, it will be located in this spot. Now, once you do that, you can first switch the balance mode to power saving mode, which will do the most impact. Now, you can also change the hyper frame rate if it's enabled to original frame rate, and in my gaming performance right here, you can adjust the performance to power saving mode. Now in display, use the original frame rate, original quality, original resolution, and the standard refresh rate. Now besides, enter the game itself and lower the graphics settings for the game. And if you are playing a game while charging your device, which I do not recommend doing, but still there is an option that will let you prevent overheating on your device while gaming. And to activate it, go back to this menu, select Tools, scroll down, select Bypass Charging, and then switch the toggle to the right. This will prevent your device from overheating. And now below, you have to select threshold for your battery charging so that your phone stops charging after reaching selected battery level. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.